Hi, I'm Ankita Divekar Kabra and I'm back with my book recommendations. Today I have a very special category of books for you. These are books for raising feminists, and remember, boys and girls both can be feminists. So here we go. I think it's very important as parents that we introduce our children to books that defy stereotypes, that take them away from mainstream impressions of what boys and girls should be like. The first book that I'm going to talk about is a book called The Paper Bag Princess. And this is the story of a princess, but she's a very unusual princess who goes and fights dragons rather than waiting for her prince to do so. Highly recommended. It's by Robert Munsch. The second series of books that I'm going to recommend is the series called Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls, and it has a volume 1 and a volume 2. Now the interesting thing about these books are these are books that were crowdfunded through a Kickstarter project, and they are very popular. They have stories of women across professions who have done spectacularly well, who have been courageous, who have defied stereotypes, and they are hugely inspiring. So reading a story like this to your boy or girl while at bedtime would be a wonderful thing to do. Similar to Rebel Girls, there is the Indian version of it called Like a Girl, and this has been written by Aparna Jain. Aparna Jain has written stories about women right from Savitribai Phule, Razia Sultan, Rani Lakshmibai, Indira Gandhi to current day heroes or sheroes like Barkha Dutt, P.V. Sindhu, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal. Across professions, across careers, these are tales of inspirations. These are tales of women that have defied stereotypes, that have fought against all odds and emerged victorious. So highly recommended again to inspire little boys and girls. Women and science. There was recently a big discussion about how women are underrepresented in science, and actually even though the women who have done spectacularly well in science, they're not really that well known. So to encourage girls to pursue science, there is this book called Women in Science. This is about 50 women scientists who changed the world with their inventions and discoveries. Again, very powerful. It's something that will I hope that it will propel girls to pick up science if of course it interests them. And similar to that, there is this book. This is a story. It's called The Matilda Effect, and this is about a girl who decides that she wants to be an inventor, and then she discovers that her granny also was one but was not acknowledged, and then how she goes about setting that right. This is probably for 9-year-old, 10-year-olds. Again, I would suggest that both boys and girls should read these books. I'm very excited that we have books that can that talk about topics like feminism, that can inspire a generation of children to think that you don't have to be labeled like a girl or labeled like a boy, but everyone is free to do their own thing and reach their full potential. So do check out these books for your children.